Microform viewing machines are in the Kelley Center in Fondren's basement. First, sign into the computer, then open the ViewScan Premium program. The machine will automatically turn on. How to use microfiche. Pull on the handle to slide the tray out and lift the glass. Insert the microfiche under the lifted glass and then push the tray back into its starting position. Your first view of the microfiche may have an inverted, upside down, or backwards image. To change the view, use the rotate left and rotate right, and flip vertical and mirror image buttons, which orient the microform image. Next, the straighten function can be used to straighten the image. Click next to the crooked image, then drag the cursor to form a corrected horizontal line. There are two types of zoom. Camera zoom uses the lens and will shift the focus. If the view is blurry, use the focus tool. Digital zoom magnifies your screen view. If needed, click the positive/negative button to invert the image colors. Finally, hit Auto Adjust Light to increase brightness and contrast. To scroll to other sections of the microfiche, simply move the tray. How to view a microcard. The same steps are used to load and view a microcard as microfiche. Make sure you select Opaque Microcard, otherwise the image will not be visible. How to view microfilm. Load the reel as shown on the diagram by pushing the reel all the way onto the left spool. You may need to pull the tray out again after loading. Lift the glass and slide the first part of the film under the glass and rollers across to the right side. Curl the end over the top of the take-up reel and then tuck it into the slot. Manually advance the take-up reel enough for it to be securely wound. Push the tray closed. Now you can scroll through the film. There are multiple ways to scroll. You can use the red buttons in the software at the bottom of the screen to advance or rewind. A short click is a short scroll. Hold down to scroll further. Or use the buttons on the machine. Red is fast, gray is slow. To unload the film, pull the tray to lift the glass and then use either the red rewind button on the machine or the auto rewind in the program. Be careful as it moves very fast. Capturing and saving your images. Click on Capture Full Frame on the bottom left to capture the full screen image. Remember, you are always responsible for adhering to all copyright laws.
Click on the screenshot, then select Text Search/Area Enhancements to open the enhancement screen.
You can save the image as it is, or enhance and edit it. To enhance and edit a smaller portion of the screen's image, go to the Cropping tab. Using the Addition tool, drag your cursor to make a box around the section you want to enhance and capture, then click Capture Cropped Area.
Navigate to the enhancement screen again to make more precise edits.
You must first click on New Enhancement Area before you can adjust the image. Drag another box around an area to edit it. Use these image adjustment tools to edit the selected area. Save or cancel to exit the enhancement screen. The images saved show up on the Capture ribbon here. If you have a USB drive, insert it, then click on Save to USB to save to it. You can also send your images via email. Click on the File tab, and then select the email option. Enter your email address here. Choose which images to send. Please remember to fill out the visitor log after using the microform equipment, and always return materials to the cart.